Hello everybody. I wanted to provide a follow-up video for module number 2, module 2A actually, and talk a little bit about demographics. When I was reviewing your infographics and your presentations, a lot of you, it included a lot of data on your student population, but the data you included primarily was all students. When you think about demographics, you really need to think about different subgroups. So I've had several questions from students about where this data comes from. So I wanted to make a short video to kind of show you where you can get some of this demographic data. So if you see I'm on KSDE, if you're not from Kansas, most states have websites similar to this. So I'm going to go to KSDE and I'm going to go to Data Central, and I'm going to click on Data Central. And then from there, I'm going to use the Kansas State Building Report Card. And I'm going to search for my district. I'm from Emporia, so I'm going to search for Emporia. And there's my district right there. And hit search, and from there I'm going to get a bunch of different data points. So a lot of you like to use graduation rate. So if you come down here and if you do graduation, click on graduation. The thing I wanted to show you is this. So here's my chart for graduation, but what I wanted to show you is right here where it says subgroup. Right now this is all students, but when you think about demographics, you want to show how your demographics are doing. So you can go by subgroup. And now you can start to see how your different subgroups are doing. If you mouse over, you can kind of see some of the data pieces here and things like that. And what's neat is you have this table that allows you to break it down. So these are your different subgroups. So when you talk about the demographics of your district and you talk about graduation rate, you really want to talk about how your subgroups are doing. So you can do that. Then there's also, if you go back, there's also some other pieces, like several of you put some just demographic data, like here's demographic data, the breakdown of your district. So if you see that, like this is by gender in Emporia. Here's by race, ethnicity in Emporia. This is by economic, or so they're free and reduced, poverty, essentially, migrant. You can see there's other ones here as well. So again, when you think about the population and the enrollment of your district, you want to, and you're talking about demographics, you really want to talk about the enrollment in terms of demographics, like migrant students or ELL students, etc. Some of you all talked about chronic absenteeism. So if you go to performance indicators, here is chronic absenteeism rate. You can also break that down by subgroup. So again, when we talk about sharing subgroup data or demographic data, we really want to talk about how our kids are doing in the different subgroups. You want to talk about the makeup of your district in terms of subgroups. So I hope this helps. There's a lot of data here. You can explore around, look at it, but I hope this video helped you kind of understand kind of what I was looking for when we talk about this module. Thank you. Bye.